In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet. So first of all, open up your application and then click on the Home tab all the way at the bottom left. And then from there, click on the search icon. And then in here, you need to fill in Ethereum. So it's already in here, but I'm just going to type it in anyway, because maybe it's not popping up for you. Then you see a lot of Ethereum coins in here, and the network down below is basically what you're seeing and what's making the difference. So it doesn't really matter what you're selecting in here, because we can still change the network. So I'm just going to click on this one, and now I'm going to click on buy, just down below when you scroll a little bit down. And you will also see a confirmation that this asset is right now on Base. So let's click on buy in here. And now we can still change the network that we are buying this Ethereum on. So first I'm going to enter the amount. So let's say you want to buy for 20 euros. Then I'm right now going to change the network, because for Ethereum, I would recommend to always use the Ethereum network, as this is the default network. And you can now choose a payment method as well by clicking on this option. So you can select a debit card, fiat balance, Apple Pay, or a credit card. I'm just going with my Apple Pay, and now I'm going to click on continue to payment. So as you can see, I will be redirected to Stripe, because Stripe is a platform that is supported in my region. So right now I'm going to click on continue, and then I will go through this process. And this will basically work the same for you. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.